What if you could send out an automatic DM to all of your new followers on Instagram? I think it's time to discuss what is going on right now with ManyChat. Let's go. So, what's up and welcome back. If you don't know me, I'm Jesse Francisco, aka Jesse Jax. I am the host of the Jesse's Higher Level You Show, the podcast, and I'm an award winning music artist. I won a bunch of contests, been in the charts. I'm a mindset and spiritual alignment coach. So the question is, what don't I do? I do a lot of stuff that and I dive deep in the things that I'm really passionate about. And I'm passionate about helping people out. And I've done this over the last years. Also, been a team lead in a Google project. So I'm coaching and leading people to know newer heights, and this is what I love to do. And now I'm teaching more and more and more other things that actually moves the needle in your mind and in your life and your business. Sometimes more strategy based, and sometimes we're just having a real dope conversation with other guests. But today I want to dive in with ManyChat and what this helps me to do. Every new follower is getting a message by me in a matter of seconds. And this is a massive change that now officially Instagram incorporated as a partnership with ManyChat. They had this back and forth going on for, I think, 1-2 years, but now they have this as an official automation inside Instagram. You can turn it on right now, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. So say goodbye to texting manually, DMing all of your followers, and say hello to a DM that is sent out automatically to every single new follower. Let's go, let's dive into it. So now you are inside ManyChat. You can get ManyChat through a trial and start right away. You have to go to automations. Some say you have to go here, you have to go there. They had like a promotional banner here somewhere, but now in my account, I didn't see it here. So I had to go to automations, and voila, there it was. Then you press on say hi to new followers. Oh, matter of fact, there's a new follower I see. So this is what it will look like. So this is what it will look like. It will send out a message for them where they have to interact. But let's see how this was done, how I did this. Okay, so this is how it looks when you start from scratch. I already had it, so I will just... So this is how it looks like when you start from scratch. As you see here, they say, do a quick vibe check first. Are you ready for the link? Now, this is an oversimplification of the whole process, because when you're on the street meeting a stranger and you get into a conversation, you're not just gonna right away make him an offer and trying to sell something to him, or when you go on a date, you're not gonna just do the thing on the first date. So avoid sending the link without them having another interaction with you first. So what we're gonna do here is just, thank you for the follow. So we're gonna put the focus on him following you and thanking him, and then quickly make an overview to remind him what it is that you do, and basically so he can get a sense of what he can get from you as well, what is in it for him to connect with you. So I actually got something special that helps recognize want to check it out. So you leave him the option. It's not too pushy, not salesy at all. It's nothing that you sell here, just want to check out the link, that's it. So I already have it here. And then you want to make him interact with you. So we're going to say yes, send it over, and then he can press send it over. This is what will come in the chat. And then you can also ask for an email. If you ask for an email, It can sound something like this. You got it. Before sharing the link, I wanted you to know da, 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 da. I save the most exclusive content for my email family, and you can try to get his email. This is a really smart way to do it. But for my case, I am not gonna do it because I am also collecting their email on another step. So when they watch my video, but that's not the purpose of this video right now. So all right, so so and then they will get a DM with the link, but first they interact with you, remember? So this is the link. This is how it looks. Awesome. Here you go. This will help you reconnect with your inner power, what I wish I had before my own breakthrough. And then you add the link here. And the link is the label. I already had it saved, so we're gonna save it there. So this is how it's looking like for the view of on the other side from, yeah, this is how it looks like on the other side from the potential from your follower, basically. So, hey fam, thanks for following me. I share tools, insights, and energy shifts that help creators step into the higher level, both spiritually and strategically. And I've actually got something special that helps you reconnect with your purpose and creative flow. Want to check it out? Yes, send it over. Then we say, awesome, here you go. This will help you reconnect with your inner power, what I wish I had before my own breakthrough. And it says alignment and income. So you want to entice a little bit of what they will get when they click it. So once they click it, in my case, it's directing them to a YouTube playlist with a video series that I did. And then they also, if they're interested in what I'm talking on there, they will get into a program, and then I will collect their email address anyway. So I'm not gonna bother them because a lot of times when you ask for the email here, they drop out. And then that's it for them, for a lot of them. So you might want to, if they don't give you the email, then this. So if this, then that. You might want to have like another automation flow. If they don't do this, then they have to do another way. So you will send out another follow-up email or follow-up message in this case. And I don't want to do this because this is just a simple first impression, simple automation workflow. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. That's why. So you can also add a follow-up DM if they don't click the link here. You can go along with this. So this is something we could also do. If you're still curious, don't forget to tap the link. I think you will love it. Actually, I think I'm gonna also do this now. Why not actually? Update. All right. All right, so I just started it. So now you are able to send DMs to every single follower that is following you. That's a great thing. That's something that we had to find ways how to get the people to our DMs, you know. But this actually is a great way. I'm loving that ManyChat made this available with the collaboration with the partnership with Meta and Instagram themselves. So I was asking Google's AI mode on when scaling a business, how likely is it in percentages, if they can say it, that ManyChat is increasing the sales for business owners when using this method. And of course, it's impossible to give an exact percentage for sales conversion as it results vary greatly depending on the business audience execution of the strategy. However, the strategy has a high likelihood of increasing sales because it leverages a more effective channel such as DMs, or in this case EDMs, than traditional methods like email, for example, such as a link in bio also. High engagement rates in DMs. Here it says up to 10 times higher than feed posts, and a streamlined conversation path from a free offer to a paid one, like we are doing it. make this automation technique a potential or potentially powerful sales tool for scaling a business. And here it's even saying much more higher engagement with click-through rates of 46% for the M's versus 1% for the link in bio. So if you didn't know, link in bio is dead. That also was replaced by the strategy of making people commenting or asking to DM you on your reels or posts, whatever. And so they had to DM you first, and then it sends an automatic message to the people in your DMs. That was a strategy people were using. Now it's much easier if you can catch them in the right moment, in the sweet spot right after they follow you. That's a perfect way how to connect with a potential customer or a potential client. Yeah, the preview again. So thanks for watching. I think that was a quick one, and I will also share with you other automations that go much more into depth, where you can have much more control. You can have a lot of follow up, if this then that, a lot of other ways, like a tree that has branches, multiple branches. If they enter this trigger, then this will happen. And then again, if they enter this trigger, then this will happen. And it has a lot of branches that is branching out. But this, I will do a video on that with another tool where I do automations like this, which gives me so much control and so much more in-depth insights as well. I think ManyChat is really cool for starters, for beginners that want to have a simplification of the whole automation side of things. And for me, I'm interested in tech and AI and stuff, so and automations, of course. And so I don't mind to go into deep with all these things and find out how I can do this, how I can do that. So if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to share it in another video coming soon. Also, you can check out another video that I did where I talk about the 3 must-have tools for conscious creators. I think this will also be interesting to you. I might have it here in a bit. So, and this is the way how you can set it up. If you need more help on it, just text me on Instagram and let's see how we find a solution for you. And of course, the link is in the description. I might also have new content coming with that. And I'm all for saving time, being more productive with AI and also with automations like this. So of course I had to incorporate it in my own content and help my audience out. If you want to see more of this, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, let's see what we coming up with next, right? You make it possible. Share it with the like, you're going to share it on the algorithm and help us support us spread the message. All right, so see you in the next episode. This was me, Jesse, out. Peace.